Welcome to 90 years of Laminex. In 1934, in a small tin shed in suburban Melbourne, an entrepreneur named Bob Sykes established Laminex, introducing to the Australian market a range of decorative laminate surfaces. And so began a new era in Australian design in the home, workplace, and public spaces. For 90 years, Laminex has continually pushed boundaries, pioneering new materials and technologies, shaping the Australian design landscape through innovative product development. Embracing what was new, never afraid to come first. Developing decors and colours that would define decades of Australian interiors, creating new and innovative finishes. Tried and tested, a source of pride and joy. Driven by design, collaboration and innovation. Laminex set in place a trajectory of positive progress. A proud Australian manufacturer, Laminex remains committed to local manufacturing, supporting communities and ensuring our inclusive workforce has everything they need to thrive. As times have changed, Laminex has led environmental progress, becoming the first Australian product manufacturer to achieve Green Star and Global Green Tag certification, reducing our carbon footprint, minimising waste, improving efficiency and ethical sourcing of raw materials. Laminex is proud to be part of creating better spaces for all Australians because we all deserve access to great design and quality products, now and for generations to come. We've got surfaces covered. Laminex, manufacturing in Australia since 1934.